Even giants stumble, and when they do, it's massive. The pipes were lowered safely and with true professionalism.
Dajcie marsz! Marsz!
Does your boss know what you do during work hours? A car stuck in a raging river. Nature may challenge, but human intelligence always finds a solution. Always think carefully before crossing fast-moving water. Sometimes a small risky decision can lead to big consequences. No need to talk to that guy. He'll get you out of any trouble. That's awesome. Due to carelessness and overconfidence on the job, the man in the video almost paid the price when the crane's cable suddenly snapped. The man behind the wheel is truly amazing. The more he braked, the more the car slid. On a steep, rainy and slippery road, the driver lost control. Daff is a beast. Step into the interior of Guyana, and you'll find out what it really means to drive on roads that challenge both your skill and your luck. Why don't they invest in building a bridge? If you agree, drop a 1 in the comments. The ZIL 131 is halfway underwater, and the driver's probably thinking, well, free car wash, I guess. The ZIL 131 is struggling through a muddy forest trail, perfectly showcasing its strength, enduring tough and extreme conditions. The driver reversed following guidance without checking the mirrors, causing the truck to slide into a weak patch of ground. Fortunately, both people suffered only minor injuries and were promptly taken for medical evaluation. The load wasn't balanced right, and that's what caused the ferry to tip over.
¿Estás bien, viejo?
Ô Cris, se ele conseguir entrar na outra represa lá, manda ele jogar pra dentro da represa. E bica ela pra dentro da represa lá na outra, lá na frente.
That was dangerous. The truck caught fire. Thank God everything is okay. I bet after this lesson, he'll think twice before choosing his route again. The power of that pickup truck is truly impressive. Death came knocking, but luck slammed the door in its face today. Thousands of people stuck around just to see the Marble Falls Bridge come down. And it was quite a moment. Coal mine fires aren't your average blaze. They burn low and slow, sometimes for days, and water won't always do the trick. The usual fix: dig it up, move the burning coal to a safe spot, and let it burn itself out. It sounds simple, but moving flaming material in a giant dump truck? That's high-risk stuff. When you're working in conditions like that, there's no room for guesswork. One bad call can put the whole site in danger. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having an awesome day. We really appreciate you sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest content. We've got more great videos coming your way. Big thanks again, and see you in the next one.